Welcome to the Sofitel Barcelona Skipper, where five-star luxury meets the vibrant energy of Barcelona. Nestled beside Barcelona's Olympic port, this elegant retreat places you just moments from the beach. Explore nearby Ciutadella Park, the Barcelona Zoo, or take a short metro ride to the historic city center. Step into spacious, modern bedrooms featuring 55-inch smart TVs and elegant bathrooms with rain showers. Each detail is designed for your comfort, creating a serene sanctuary in the heart of the city. Discover breathtaking city and sea views from the rooftop pool, an exclusive oasis high above Barcelona. Enjoy a selection of seasonal cocktail bars, or relax year-round at the stylish Tendiez Bar. With exceptional breakfast, 2 outdoor pools, and beachfront access, your unforgettable Barcelona escape begins here.